action. Hey guys, it's Michael Todd and welcome to the Cult.Of.Vintage. We are here at the Champaign County Fairground for the Urbana Flea Market. Of course, Richard and Mom are back there. It is almost like a spring day here in December, 50 some degrees out already. Let's check it out. I'm excited. The weather's great. I don't know if there's going to be a lot of outdoor vendors, but we'll give it a go. You just need one really good one anyhow. Here we go, guys. There's not a lot of folks that decided to come out and take advantage of this beautiful weather, but we'll try.
You want to do outside?
Yeah, let's just knock out outside. It's not very big.
Do you need a gun?
I don't need a gun. Presently.
Are you sure?
I contemplate it sometimes. Ooh, marijuana. There's the marijuana smell. Don't you smell it? Ow. I saw these two. Let's find out how much they are. What do you have on those two? For both on 10. Yeah, we did. Check out her Beautify Your Figure. These have a kitty like smell to Women's Day, but Richard did spot these Our Home, which are pretty amazing. The graphics are great. So let's see how much he has on all three of these. All of the magazines for $10, including the On the Railroad. What'd you find? Parts. Look what I just saw. Don't I have an incense burner? That would not. Yeah. See how much this is. I gotta go get Mom some money.
Okay. How much do you have on this?
What did you get that for?
5.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh. And you got your cloth part?
Yeah, they were 5 a piece, so I bought 3 of them.
Oh, okay.
You'll see.
Oh my gosh.
I have an idea
I love her.
to sell.
That's an epic score. Come on, sir. What'd you find?
Found some good old weights.
1.5 pounds.
We got 4 of them
We got 4. How much?
for 75.
75. And why would you pay $75 for 4 of these wooden weights?
Well, they are worth it.
Because they're worth. Well, there we go, folks. Because they're worth it. What?
Well, when we looked it up, it said 1900 to 1940.
Yep.
And he thought that they were from the 20s to 1930, which
Yeah.
I think he is right. But they used to do their calisthenics with these. That's why they're marked at 1.5 pounds. So they would have a variety of sizes and weights. But we got 4 that are all 1.5. But they're not real common.
No, they're not.
Usually pretty pricey when you find them.
They are. Guys, well, that's about it for the exterior. We're going to head into the 2 interior buildings and see if we can't make out a little bit better. Here we go.
Anything great. These are just little plastic with an image.
Uh-huh.
But they used to make glass marbles, and they would put little animals inside.
Oh,
Those are early, and they're worth a fortune.
okay. So glass marbles with animal. Right there's one. I'm just kidding.
Right.
So Richard found some Matchbox. Do you and I see is Bert and Ernie's Playhouse. It's color forms.
Can't read the price.
$6. LP. $8?
$10?
I don't know. Is it in there? Hey, Bert. Ernie. Did they dry out?
Oh, it was.
Yeah, they dried out. There's Bert. Or that's Ernie, not Bert. They dried out, though. Boo. Look at this one. That's a great graphic. The preschool busy box. Wipe off cards, eraser pad. Silly Sydney. Smash. No, I don't see anything for us, though. Here's a group of postcards. I'm pretty sure that says $145 on it. Because that one says 200.
You sure it's not $2?
That's the best you can do on all four of those.
Is it priced individually?
Oh, so
They're
they're
$2.
Oh, okay. I was about to say. Aggressive. Look at that. It's a tiny piano. It is a baby showing height. I love it. It's so tiny. Does it work?
Yeah.
I don't know anything about these. I just think these look really cool. Lansing something. BP. Lots of cars. Oh, we did get the show and hut for 40, which is exceptional.
Did they see it already?
I don't have one this tiny. That's great. Found some nice ones too. They look really well kept too. Ooh, the king would be good for a queen. Nice drape on it.
It's so nice. I had it. We used it actually, and my husband kept sneezing. And he said, "I think I'm allergic." And I love chenille. Just love it.
Boo. It's right here. Right there it is. 30.
Is that too much for you? Yeah. What do you think? Oh,
Gonna think about it. She's gonna think about it. It's a king.
I don't need a king.
Well, the king would give you some nice drape on the side.
Yeah.
I mean, that's and at 25.
Well, we didn't open it up to see. Oh my God, I love white, but that's
Okay. Shira, Shira, Shira. I know, I do. I've gotten some beautiful pieces from her. There was a huge swung handkerchief. I see the Northwood over there, the drape. I've gotten those here before. I want to see how much she has on them. So, how much could we do for the two Northwood and Shira? And the glass face. Okay. So we have.
Now we're up to that.
Up to that.
Okay, what else you gonna put in there? Six?
I don't know. I do like this blue.
Now the bird's fat.
He's a little plain.
Well, you wouldn't want to go over a year. You at least get a new one every year. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that would be it.
Okay. 42.
Deal. I'm actually going to get this little set of clear glass stuff. I love this one. But we're going to get all 4 pieces for 5 too, darn it. You can tell right now this fish is a reproduction. You see the right here between the tail?
Yep.
That should be opened, yeah. 28 here. Me. Oh, I was like, what is this?
There's somebody else instead of music.
Five-all. Battle cards. I remember these.
Yeah.
The clear vase.
No, you should. That's the first one. You already looked at it.
Oh, okay. Now this is interesting. I love the stoppers. Oh, okay, so those are the stoppers. Really interesting. So it is $45 for the set. Obviously a little vanity. Those are really interesting. Like a Bristol glass. Huh?
I like the colors.
This is weird. Let's see if we can get a comp. Maybe, yeah. I mean, I can't get a comp on them. 45, I think, for the set is really good, but there's something that's not grabbing me on them. Yeah. Hey, that's cool, but it's not a hard, yeah. Hey, look at this.
The long trailer.
That's $250. Oh, hey, there's a red bird. See him? Will you grab him for me? Oh, and the green. I had totally missed the green one. It's not flashed. Yeah, and here is the green one.
18.
Let's see what they'll do for both.
Let me hold it.
Okay.
Alright, take care.
The Meduna.
Yeah.
Who's it by? Looks like it's Mark.
I can't.
Oh, it's Goebel.
That's really great.
Mm-hmm.
That's different.
That's a pretty one.
Yeah.
Did you see the apron?
Oh, we're gonna flip around here. Milk glass. Yeah, we're gonna find out how much. 48. Not bad. Oh, this is cool. Look at this shape. Interesting.
That's a wood.
Does it go the other? Yeah.
It's in there.
How interesting. A clam
Compote.
compote. Oh, did you see the apothecary bottles over there?
Yeah. They're a little loud. I
What-
actually really like the brass lantern.
Two each. All right, let's check out the birds. So we are going to go for the vanity set at 30. It's in excellent condition. Even if it wouldn't sell, I wouldn't mind owning it myself. So I think that's a great set. All right, that was building 1. We're going to head on over into building 2, see what they got. They do have food too, even. What? Okay, here we go into building number 2. Let's see what we can find. Ooh, I see some black amethyst diamond point over there. Let's go check out that collection. I love this. 25 on that one. I actually kind of like this one a little bit more. We should see what we can get this and this for. Sorry, I just hit my own hand. Little playing cards. They are. What's that's a stand.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, oh, Egyptian revival. How much?
25.
Okay, let's add this. Let's add this and this together. So we're gonna start building up for that. See what we can do here. We have a reproduction Sears. I do not get tired of getting these because these are amazing reference books. I mean, it's cool to look through, but to serve as a reference, that one's at 10. So we're going to add that to the pile also. So here we have some Pasteur. That's glorious. think we're gonna add that to the pile too.
Back in the day, my in-laws and I had that stuff. We had a fortune. Yeah.
Blue glasses. Mom loves her a blue glass.
I love my blue.
She loves a blue glass.
There's only 6 of them. You break one, then you only have.
Yeah. 25 for the set.
Oh, that's not bad. Right. They are heavy though. But I don't have any more glass.
Okay, no more glasses, she says. No room.
No room for you.
Who's down there? Ah. Well, ho, ho, ho. Some. Ooh. Oh, those are fantastic. These are great with your Miro stars. I dressed the Miro star up. Those are fun. These gold ones are great. Look at all the ceramic trees. Yeesh.
Pretty.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, you were. Bouncy, bouncy.
No, well. 15. This one's cute. But no true Victorian ones so thus far.
Last time you're going to love things,
Tom and Jerry.
Alexis ordered up one of those.
No. I just don't see much for me though, darn it. We have a tree with tree ornaments. It says that they're $10, but it does look like we have some true Victorians on here. I don't really see. Oh, here's a parasol. I don't know if you guys can. There it is. This one looks like a reproduction. I don't know, unless that chenille was just really well cared for. We do have a star. I'm nervous about moving it. Yeah, cute. I'm not like, whoa. Unless you see one, you're just like, whoa. The little house.
That's cute.
It is. It's only 10.
That doesn't seem bad for that.
It doesn't. I saw this star, but I'm nervous about. Let's put that down there. Oh, we have this.
Oh.
I have this one. That looks like plastic, yeah.
That's glass.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah, see, it lost its paint here.
Oh, yeah. It's down there.
Santa.
Yeah. Ooh, that one's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't think that's old. Keeping my eye out for those kugels.
Oh.
Or kugels. No.
So you're going to get okay, so I'm very yes.
Nice. 20 feet for 45. See what else we can find. Check out what we just found. These butterflies with the mercury glass. They're just like, put them on your tree, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a whole bunch of them. There's another one over here gone a little rogue. For all of them.
Well, that might be the tray.
But how much for all of them?
Oh, I'll ask.
Oh no. Oh wait. They're like, they're fluttering away everywhere. So we're just gonna ask how much. I love these. There's the chenille toilet cover. Oh, I had this as a child. I have this now, but if I didn't, oh my god, oh, he's cracked. Mine's not. I was obsessed with him as a child. I think she said that they were $2 each. I don't know how I feel about spending. $2.
They're $2 a piece.
But how much for all of them?
Well, that's what I'm going to count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11.
I tried to look them up, but I couldn't get him to do it.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Okay. It makes it all go around. Are you interested in all of them? I do 10 on all of them. You don't have to worry
12 for 10.
12 for 10? Let's do that. I really like those. Just found 2 items, $5 each. A little Fenton vase and a bisque baby. Really cute. Let's see. Do they have anything else in here?
Right. I saw this from the other side.
No, that's just going.
Yeah, right. Be a band.
No, I don't see.
You want to borrow 10?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I wish I had little.
Gosh. Well, whenever I see all of this, even though we're at a flea market, I never get too excited. I'm curious about the prices overall. I really like that treatment. This one I definitely love, that pink with the opalescent. Yeah, I mean, we'll check it out, but it seems like it's all kind of collector pricing. The one I see most is, of course, our hearts here. That one's at 42, which, quite frankly, isn't really that bad.
Oh,
There's the Jackie O again.
They're $8 each, or
30.
$8 each.
I kind of like this Christmassy one here. That's darling. That's at 30. No, not yet.
You got the idea. I FaceTime my wife and said, "This is what it costs."
There, exactly. Found something. What'd you find?
Really like this for the table.
Okay. How much is it?
This is 18.
That's 18.
Hey,
I'm right here. What do you want?
I just wanted to tell you that, right here, if you need.
Okay.
No, I have to go something. You can have that for 15.
Well, I'm still looking, and we might just have to do a bundle.
Okay. Go is just spotted again. We've got more weights. Are any of them marked?
but it's got the weight on it. I'm guessing that's a 2 pound. This is 2 pound here. And it's getting heavier.
That one's cool. I like how big that is.
I wasn't say, but I wonder if it's not a 5 pound.
There's a little apothecary.
He just found one of those up in the attic.
D-
We need to put it with the rest.
No on those.
I like to look at the ones I just got.
Okay. Well, I just like this one to kind of break up the.
Yeah.
Then I go.
No.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. It's pretty. It's $5.
I know. Again, nothing else you're giving away.
Good coloring on it. Let's see some. Oh, that's 73 women's world. Yeah.
Yes or no?
That's up to you. It's got a great look to it.
Is this
Ooh.
Michael?
You all do that. They do that.
What is it? Oh, the little shell.
You did it.
I can't see. It says 2000, so it's contemporary. Kind of want to see what this interior looks like. Unfortunately, it is ripped pretty much. Yeah, it is ripped all the way through. It's a black and white, and there's pencils marks all throughout it, so I'm going to leave it here, darn it. Alrighty guys, well there you have today's Shop With Us video here at the Urbana Flea Market. They're definitely living the good life right now. Guys, I hope you did enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite find of the day was, or the item you wished we had most picked up. Either works, and you know we'd appreciate it. And until next time, remember, keep it rusty, crusty, and dusty. Bye guys.